Hi everyone, I'm Vidisha. This is my first time performing, so please bear with me. I write majorly in English only, so this is going to be English performance. So the first poem is, I wrote this on the ghats of Ganga, so it's related to something like that. The poem is Waves in My Mind. The waves, they go, they ebb and flow. My mind, it screams, many thoughts it seems. Unlike the river though, it halts and bows. It does not mold around the obstacles for sure. The river also, if stopped, it rots, carrying the weight of the final thoughts. It's hard for me to let go and be, this life be full of uncertainty. It won't stop and it certainly flows. That's the only thing we know for sure. So the second poem, that's based on a situation that I think everyone kind of faces in their life. It's about rumors that are spread about people like everywhere, I guess. So it's known as Stop Saying. Whispers and voices flow, secret looks and side eyes seen. They walk with their heads burrowed, not knowing the reason for the scrutiny. Rumors, rumors, why do you float? Why do you thrive in drowning someone else's boat? Why could you not let people be? Strange behaviors stemming from you. You spread like wildfire, imagination is required. No one is spared, the ones who indulge also bear. I realize it's not your fault, it's mostly by word of mouth. People are easily swayed, can't stay away from your sweet blade. The third poem is about friendship breakups. I've had a few in my life, so yeah. It was supposed to be a joke, nothing less, nothing more, for comic reasons alone, yet here we are. Here we are with broken hearts, bruised prides, and egos too big to align. Here we are alone and hurt, too mad to talk, too sad to move on. Here we are in separate worlds, a million stars in between, a million bridges burned. Here we are, the hurt still stays, so does the misunderstandings, never to be cleared away. Here we are, days changed to months. There was a time when neither could be without the other one. So this next poem is on melancholy, titled Melancholy. So I like melancholy, so I write in past tense. Navigating through the dark, sitting on a park bench. I like melancholy, so I wander alone, looking at the stars, watching over everything known. I like melancholy, so I listen to the wind, going through daily life with people intertwined. I like melancholy, so I lay with it. It must like me too, because it always seems to stick. And the last one, it's a confession. My self-confidence goes to nothing in a second. My inner critic second-guessing every suggestion. Not getting a reply sends me into an overthinking mission. Rejection is my worst nightmare, still a confession. I say I'm a perfectionist, yet I make the silliest mistakes. Writing is my thing, yet simple spellings make me quick. Night after night, I lie awake, crying over the smallest things, always feeling like things are at stake, everything is at stake. Feelings of listlessness and anxiety wash over me, like at the beach being hit by the waves of sea. Breathing becomes hard and my brain gets fuzzy. Cannot get myself to tell anyone as it might make them worry. Restless and frustrated, I stare at the ceiling. 1,000 voices, I feel like screaming. It feels like a burden to even be breathing. Running away from everything honestly sounds quite appealing.
Wow.